Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
So it was a different kind of a vibe in that whole cast of Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bolti. So I think yes, we are very much in touch. We are friends for life, and we are going to remain friends for life. My daughter said that you are a very strong, opinionated person, and I don't want you to put anything on Twitter which a written sentence does not have a tone. So I don't want nameless, faceless people telling you anything, you know. So it also happens that when people see me perform also, they are like awestruck and all, but they need not be awestruck. I'm genuinely doing something. I understand the character and I become that person.
Hi, welcome to eTimes TV. I'm Gayatri.
Thank you. My pleasure.
So, how does it feel to receive so much love for the trailer of षड्यंत्र?
Oh, I'm so thrilled, you know. And everybody told me that this should have been more in Hindi. I mean, it should have been Hindi instead of Gujarati, you know. And even I felt that the way it has turned out, it would be, we want to reach more, we want to reach the masses. So if it would have been in Hindi, we would have been very, very happy. But I think they'll get dub, if we will dub it in Hindi, I suppose.
Yeah, sure. Your character, I mean, I watched the trailer. It is so, I mean, such a beautiful way you acted. I mean, we all are a fan of your acting, but ये कुछ नया है. मतलब हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ हमें देखने मिलेगा आपके जरिए. So how was the end? I mean, were you apprehensive before taking this role, or were you like thrilled to take up this challenge?
I'll tell you, I have to tell you this, you know, after last year's lockdown opened, I have come across work which has been so different, so new, and so soul satisfying for me. Okay, all the work that I've gotten after last year's lockdown opening, I cannot talk about it as yet because I'm already in the process of doing it. But it has been a new journey of my career, you know. So this came my way. I am doing one English web series which I finished shooting for.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I'm reading an audiobook, which is a soul satisfying job for me. Of course, in between, I kept on doing daily serials, my cameos also after this year's lockdown opened. But yes, it has been a new start, and I started enjoying the web series part so much that so when this came my way, this is my first Gujarati project. I have done Gujarati theatre, but I have not done anything on screen in Gujarati. So I was really running away from it. Suppose if it's a Gujarati film, why would I do it? I would do it only when if it's an award-winning role for me, because I have been on national level since past 25 years. So I never wanted to do anything that was substandard. So then when this Gujarati came my way, when Urvish and Babul Bhai came and narrated when they just told me the one line, I said, okay, I'm doing it. I was so sure about it, you know, that, okay, this is going to work. And when they told me how they are going to shoot and everything, I was very sure that this is going to work. And maybe this is the right role for me. And the feedback that I've got after the trailer is also that, you know, that you fit the role perfectly. And when you see the entire web series, you'll realize what I'm doing. And well, it has been a very nice, interesting experience for me.
टीवी की यही मुझे एक खास बात लगती है कि आप एक किरदार जो निभा लेते हो, वो लोगों के जहन में इतना बस जाता है कि वो बस लाइफ लॉन्ग एक छवि छोड़ जाती है मन में. और क्योंकि सास की कभी बहू थी तो हम भूल नहीं सकते. Like I have grown up watching that. I have grown up seeing my mom watching that.
You won't believe that Kyunki and KBC went on air on the same day on 3rd of July 2000. And since then we were having our anniversaries together. So the first year we went to the KBC set and all. Recently I came on social media last year. See, my daughter, I don't know whether you should be writing all this or not, but I was never on any social media up to last year, June, okay? Because my mom said, my daughter said that you are a very strong, opinionated person, and I don't want you to put anything on Twitter which a written sentence does not have a tone. So I don't want nameless, faceless people telling you anything, So, and I did not even understand much of it. Okay, I'm also still in the learning process. So then last year she said that you can come. Instagram is that way relatively innocent. So, and I also got bored of it immediately. Okay, she knew that I'll get bored of it. So I came. So recently I've put a picture on Instagram about our going to the KBC set, our first anniversary together, with Amit ji and all. So it was, yeah, very big. It changed the history of Indian television. It made TV what it is today. And when I hear now newcomers talking about ये तो ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है, I said they have no idea how TV has grown and what Kyunki did for GECs, what it did for. So all this. So now see, I was in the beginning, initial stage. I did Ek Mahal Sapno Ka, which was the first daily serial of satellite channel. So that was the first of its kind. Now I'm getting on social media, platform this way, where OTT platform, where it is I'm in web series and all. So maybe I'm starting my new phase of my career. So one English I did this Gujarati, and I think I started enjoying this so much more. So yes, I think I'll keep on continuing. If people keep on offering me, I'll keep on doing work. So
it's such a delight to hear stories from you, ma'am. You've been in the industry for 25 years.
25 years, and to be always on air is not a joke. Up to last year, 16th of March, I was still shooting and doing my Gujarati play every day. And suddenly then the lockdown happened, okay? So it's not a joke. And as soon as lockdown opened last year by November and all, I was back. So I don't think, I think God has been very, very kind to me. And I've never had to look for work. It has just fallen into my lap. And the new things that I'm doing, as I said, this new phase of my career, I'm going to enjoy it even more. So that is what I feel.
Ma'am, are you still in touch with your Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi team?
We are friends for life. We all are friends for life. I'll tell you why. Because it was the most intelligent set of females, most cultured, having seen the world, and extremely intelligent females, which does not happen in TV now, since past many years. Okay, so it was a different kind of a vibe in that whole cast of Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. So I think, yes, we are very much in touch. We are friends for life, and we are going to remain friends for life.
Ma'am, you must have been observing. You've done quite a lot of TV shows. You've done films. You've done everything you've done. So the content has been changing. The kind of content that goes on air is changing. Do you like such content now, or were you, जो पुराने content है आपको वो ज़्यादा पसंद है या अब जो है वो
happened in last year's lockdown? So many old shows came, either on social media or people started watching it on different, I don't know what all the platforms that every channel has, or even YouTube and everything. So they were still fetching a lot of, good reviews. Kya baat hai? They were such good serials. So obviously we were doing something right at that time. When English press throughout wrote into inverted comma Saas Bahu shows, that was the time I kept on saying that this is the only Saas Bahu show, which is rest of them are socially relevant dramas. You cannot slot them as into inverted comma Saas Bahu shows, or kitchen politics or anything. So now what is happening is so different. So again, you have to pick and choose the right thing. See, this is a thriller, political thriller that I'm doing. The English one that I've done is a family comedy. So I think that again, I'm getting a variety of things to do, and hopefully I'll keep on getting it. But it won't become, because you are supposed to finish it in say 8 episodes or 10 episodes. It's like a film where you finish a story and maybe go, if it works, then go into the second season. So then, it is going to be much more packed story-wise and everything. So, and I hope that good shows happen, not only titillating or dirty ones, and so even in the comedy, I realized one thing: I can go up to naughty but not dirty. There's a very thin line. It's a very thin line, and I will never cross it.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, so the content which is happening now is extremely. Yes, also tell you one thing that I realized what kind of acting requires. What is the kind of acting that is required in a web series? It's different than daily serials. And I realized that while doing both the shows, both the web series, I realized, okay, this is my time to unlearn few things and learn new things. You know, clean the slate a little and start writing all over again. So for me now, this is more of going to be a new learning time coming from phase of my career.
Ma'am, when you go for shooting on a set, I mean, so how are you perceived by the newcomers or younger people on the set, maybe even the directors?
They are all in awe of me. They are scared of me,
Huh?
and they realize that I'm the funniest and the happiest and the coolest person around, and I'm the most. I do my own thing, and hair makeup ऐसा चाहिए वैसा चाहिए कुछ नहीं, मैं अपने आप पिन लगा लूंगी अपने आप से. So I'm like that. So suddenly they all realize, and when I see youngsters who are throwing attitude or something, now it shows on my face. My mouth falls open. I just look at them, and then there are so many friends of mine who are like my type. They'll say, change your expression, change your expression. Attitude for what? This is your job. You are supposed to do it very well. You are supposed to perform in the best possible ability of yours. So they don't understand all this. Looking good all the time is not the only criteria that you are looking at. So yeah, it also happens that when people see me perform also, they are like awestruck and all, but they need not be awestruck. I'm genuinely doing something. I understand the character and I become that person. So that is how it is. And acting is a learning process every day. Any form of art, you cannot say मुझे सब आता है. Like I said, during this both the web series, I realized that okay, I'll have to learn new things now. This is my time to now start all over. So yes, it has been a very. So yeah, when people see me on, हमको तो आपसे बहुत डर लग रहा था, they'll tell me, and then they say आप तो कितनी लेकिन एकदम friendly और cool और so yeah, and I'm very friendly with it because see, I'm going to learn a lot of things from youngsters also. So I will not say that they are, what are they, I learn a lot of things. So somewhere down the line, I have become a very balanced person. As a person, I've become very balanced. I understand my generation and generation before me also, and I understand the generation which is of now also, and try to find the right balance in it. So all these things put together has changed me as a person that I am.
So, ma'am, even after being at that stature in life, content professionally and personally, what is it that makes you so grounded and humble even now?
Many times I say that mentally I'm a very middle class person. I don't want to show off anything. Okay? There are so many young people who will tell me, अरे आप तो ये ले सकते हो, वो ले सकते हो, ऐसी गाड़ी में घूम सकते हो, वैसे बिल्डिंग में रह सकते हो. But for what? For what? Whom am I supposed to show it to whom? And then I'm supposed to maintain it for the rest of my life. And also, I'll tell you one more thing. I have worked with the same production houses for every production house has repeated me. And that is because of the kind of person that I am, apart from what I bring in as a professional actor. So what happens is I will never ask for money. I will never go after them, behave badly for those things. I will, if whatever time they have to take, I let them take. I will never be after anybody. So I tell many of my near relatives, okay, family type relatives, extended family jo hota hai na, they have all this, "Arey, tune to kitne paise bane?" So I said, all those who have made a very big name might not have made that much money. Because what happens is that I have taken care of relations. I have taken care of people's situation at that point of time. So there are so many times when I like a role and when I know that I'm very comfortable with this particular production house, I will say, "Chalo, what do you want to pay me?" I let them decide. I will never utter a word about it. So all these things put together has made me a very humble, grounded person, and that's why a very simple, normal person. And I have not let You won't believe, the Prime Minister of the country invited me for dinner, Atalji, when he was around. Narendra Bhai has been coming and watching all my plays throughout that. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat whenever I performed there. Beginning that to even when I travel abroad for my Gujarati plays, white people, black people, Chinese people recognizing me, people from Pakistan, Afghanistan, uh, Bangladesh, Philippines, they recognizing me. Many times my mouth falls open that I must have done something right. That means, so when they all know me, I realize I become more humble as a person. That this is not what I had gone out to get. It just happened to me, and I have to be very, very thankful about it. And I have remained that way. It has really, really been a journey which is, there are lots of ups that has come in my career, and I think I've been more and more humbled by it. So yes, as a person, it has really, really changed me or made me more humble as a person. Because when a prime minister invites you, when there is a embossed Trimurti, Prime Minister of India written, and then Atalji's handwritten note for you for inviting you for dinner at Prime Minister's house. That is not normal, right? It does not happen to everybody. So these are the things which has happened to me, and I am humbled by it completely. And that's why I say I'm a normal person on whom God has been very kind.
Ma'am, even despite all of this, to stay grounded is really, really a different level thing. Not everybody can stick to it.
Yeah.
I am happy to have been talking to you.
Thank you so much.
And really great.
Regarding Shadyantra, I'll just tell you that I think you have to watch it. It will have subtitles in English as of now, but then
I understand Gujarati.
Oh, okay, you understand Gujarati. That's great. So yeah, then you'll be very pleasantly surprised by the production value and the way it has been written and everything. You'll be very pleasantly surprised by the quality of how it has turned out, and also by my role. You'll be a little taken aback, surprised.
I've seen the trailer. I have loved it, and I'm looking forward to watching.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you.
bye, bye, bye.